with you. Hey, I am at the Genius Kanumbre. What you call this? This is a rural setting, but of a magnificent, extravagant mansion. You only find these houses in Malibu, United States, etc. Come on, guys, look at it. Don't be jealous. Look what I'm seeing here. I haven't even entered. And look at the vehicle outside here, and the other ones, and so forth. I know that there are many cars out of here which are not here, held by some people who are jealous. But hey, this is it. So, you know me, boy. I'm happy that you invited me here.
You're most welcome,
Otherwise,
man.
you could.
You're
Right drive.
too much.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
Mike knows everywhere.
No, it's nice to come here. Yeah. It's nice. But you did a good thing.
Thank you very much.
It's so beautiful. You know what I mean? It's so beautiful. I like it.
Come, let's go.
All right.
Inside.
Yeah. Muga stop.